Autodesk Inventor comes with a powerful set of tools that provides a completely integrated design to manufacturing solution. It validates design function, optimizes form, all while building intelligent manufacturing information directly into your design. Assembly modeling combines the strategies of placing existing components in an assembly and creating other components in place within the context of the assembly. In a typical modeling process, some component designs are known and some standard components are used to create the designs to meet specific objectives. Autodesk Inventor, fit function identifies the interference in assembly well before the parts are actually manufactured and assembled. The model downstream can be used to create a rendering, and it helps to simulate how the product will perform in a real world. The same model can be used to develop documentation and plan for the manufacturing process. Autodesk Inventor model-based definition is an integrated drawing-less manufacturing solution. Using Autodesk Inventor, you can communicate product and manufacturing information directly in 3D, bypassing time-consuming 2D drawing creations. MBD further automates manufacturing with software-readable PMI and increases technical communication efficiencies. 3D Annotate Tool in Autodesk Inventor allows you to dimension, annotate and tolerance directly into 3D model. These 3D model annotations can be reviewed by using Autodesk Shared View and by exporting into 3D PDF. Tolerance Advisor allows understanding the current state of the geometrical dimension to make sure that model is fully defined. You can easily identify which surface is fully constrained, under constraint, etc. Companies embracing MBD methodologies report savings in multiple areas, including reductions in manufacturing errors, decrease in scrap and rework costs, and lower procurement costs. Drafting environment in Autodesk Inventor helps you to create detailed manufacturing information in 2D representation. It improves drafting productivity by automatically creating front, side, isometric, detail, section, and auxiliary views of parts and assemblies from the model. The drawings can be annotated quickly by retrieving the dimension information directly from the design. It follows the principle of change it once, changes it everywhere. Inventor software associates drawing views to the original components, so a change made to any part or assembly is automatically reflected in all associated drawing sheets. The digital prototypes you create in Inventor software can be used to quickly generate compelling 3D product documentation from the assembly. Autodesk Inventor helps you to create very complex surfaces which are difficult to create in part modeling. Autodesk Inventor allows you to design a wireframe model as a solid appearing object. Surface modeling involves generating models by combining 3D surfaces and solids. You can create surface models by using the same tools that are used for solid modeling. Special tools available like Sculpt, Fit Mesh Surface, Repair Bodies, etc. are used to modify the created surface. Once the surface modeling is completed, the created surfaces are converted into solids by adding thickness.